It got a hole in it, y'all? Oh, hell no. I ain't feeling that. That was wild.
Can't focus on me.
Alright, hey y'all, so today we're going to be installing the wig. First, let's go ahead and unpackage it. Got it from Amazon. Let's go see. I just took out my knowledge braids. My friend's out of town, so I'm not going to wash it. But not too much, not too much. Yeah, so. Oh my god, I left so much stuff at the shop. I left my hot comb and all that stuff. But here's the wig. I feel synthetic. Oh god. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna pluck it a little bit, but yeah. Alright. And they gave us some caps. 2 little scrunchies. It's giving apple. Yeah. And this, yeah. And they gave me some lashes. They look pretty cool. Look, it's all dark right here and light right there. They look alright. I might not use them, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair back and pluck my wig a little bit because it looks very transparent a little bit or thin, but not thin enough for me. That ain't gonna be looking crazy. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Y'all, that took longer than I thought it would. Seriously. Alright, so I'm gonna clean around my edges. Ooh. With some alcohol. Not too close to my hair because my hair is bleach. So I'm just gonna clean around the edges because it is kind of oily. I don't know why I did that first. It was dumb. But it's gonna work out, whatever. I got some Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna put it on a little something over here. Some plastic. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna get some on my finger and just put it on my edges and brush them back before I put the cap on. Just to protect my edges. Like, I don't want it to get like the little flyaways to get like stuck to the glue and stuff like that. Like, no. I'm gonna go bald. I'll pass. I think I'm still gonna go bald because I bleached my hair. But yeah, so go ahead and brush that back. Thought I was cutting it, but I won't. I don't know if I want to use this or the lace glue. I'm gonna do the lace glue. It lasts longer. Not really. I'm not doing that because I gotta put some skin protectant on. So just get on the floor. So take my Gorilla Glue just a little above my hair. I'm gonna put this, my hairline, I'm gonna put this on there all the way around to right here. Oh Lord, that ain't me dragging, bro. It's gonna take all day to dry. I'm gonna be using Fit Me in the color 335. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit just to make this look like my skin. And I'm also gonna put on the lace of the wig. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand to warm it up a little bit. Looks pretty good to me. Pretty bald head. Pretty bald head. Alright, so we're gonna get my wig. And in the inside, we're gonna, yeah. So you're not gonna be able to see that too much. Maybe I can hold it up a little bit. Let's see. I put too much in my hand. I did not need all that. So I'm gonna just put it all over the brush, period. So, the inside of the wig, I start at the part. And then the edges, and then I just get all in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my head. It does have the band in it. Most people cut the band out, but I like the band. It definitely keeps it in there. This little back lace right here, this little extra piece, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. We don't need that. I don't even know if people glue that down to the head. I don't, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that out of there. Alright, so that's out of there. Alright, let's go ahead and try this on. The reason I'm trying it on is to see if I need to cut around my ears. Either way, I'm still gonna like glue the wig down, then cut around the ears. But yeah, let's see. It got a hole in it, y'all? Oh, hell no. I ain't feeling that. That was wild. You got this fat ass hole. I know my head ain't that big. No, ain't no way. Nope. So let me go ahead and just. This thing got me kind of pissed off, y'all, because why did it just fucking rip like that on me? Oh my god. And then it's like this side is not even like stretching far enough. Like, oh my god. Like, is this? Ugh. Okay, that's it. My head probably just big as a bitch. I'm gonna just say my head is big. We ain't gonna blame it on the wig. My head just probably big. Let me see how big that hole is. That bitch is big, y'all. Look. That chain ripped all the way apart. Yo, I'm pissed. That is wow. Okay. Whatever. And then this part came up, whatever. I'm ready to get mad. So we're gonna go ahead and put this skin protectant on. And you're gonna apply that at least 3 times. Let's get a cotton ball. Spray it on here. And I'm gonna put it around my hairline, above my hairline. I'm mad that this came off. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. My wig got a hole in it, y'all. It got a hole in it. I can't believe it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. Ugh. Okay, maybe I should have put this jank on my head that way, because now it's like doing a little something different than the first try. Look at that big old hole right Smash it. Boo boo bop. Rip that hoe out. But, alright, so I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be good. We got this. Alright. Just peel that jank back. It's a baby coming. Mama. Well, usually I will use a popsicle stick, but I don't have no more right now. So we're gonna use the end of this cone. So we'll dab it across on both sides. And you're gonna smooth it on out. This might smell like lemon, but it stink. But yeah.
And then you were in this place. You made this
So you want to let it dry up clear. Sometimes it doesn't all the way dry clear, but it should. If it doesn't dry clear and you can see it underneath your legs, you just dab it with a little bit of makeup. Alright, so go ahead and put the hairline above your calf. And comb it in place. Alright, we're gonna go and work on this side, the ripped up side. Just wanna comb it in place. Oh, you see the little rip? Oh God. Shit. This shit looks stupid. And this girl keep pissing me the fuck off.
I already saw you.
We're gonna go ahead and cut this off my ear. So we're gonna go ahead and marinate for a little bit. This is a waste of money, I believe. When life throw you lemons, bitch, make some damn lemonade, cause this shit looks terrible. Cut it down the middle. Then I'm gonna use my little razor and cut as close to the hairline as I can without cutting off my hairs. You want to do like a ziggly line, because if you do a straight line, it will look stupid. You will see that straight line. Oh hell.
I did it. Stuff in the head. Hey, let's go first.
Let me clean these little bubbles off my edges real quick. This glue. Alright, after I did that, I'm gonna spray it with the lace melt spray. And then I'm gonna tie it back up with the hairband. Oh, this smells like it got alcohol in it. Let that marinate for a second. Go ahead and take this off. Okay, it's kind of giving wood lace. Even though I got a big old hole right here, but it's okay. Alright, let's do some baby hairs. So I like sideburns and I like that little trendy little swoosh thing right here, so we're gonna do that. Plus I got a middle part, so why not? And I'm gonna be using a little flat iron. Oh, this comb been utilized for everybody today. Alright. I'm gonna part out some edges around here. Wait, is my part in the middle? Ooh, that bitch was crunchy. This is when the flat iron comes in handy. So you want to curl them. So I'm gonna curl them. I'm gonna flip them up. Okay. Actually, I think I'm gonna try to curl them under. Don't burn yourself now, y'all. So I'm just curl them under. Usually I flip them up, but I'm gonna try curling them under today. Alright, so that is done. Now I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot and do my edges. Gorilla Snot actually makes it last longer. Yeah, it just lasts longer than this Gorilla Snot. And so when you do it, you want to start at the root and then just use your comb to spread it out. And I'm also going to use a blow dryer once I get it to how I want it to dry it out a little bit and continue to fix it. Alright, so I'm gonna put some concealer on my part. Alright, this is it. So what y'all think? The disaster wig.